And due to popular demand, like overnight, they started using this preservative to preserve the pharmaceutical products. And if you look up DMSO, you'll see that there's a lot of adverse skin reactions as well as histamine.
Like what you experienced.
Same thing of what I experienced. So if something is supposed to come either from you or be something that's a part of you, whether it's from an age 0 umbilical cord or whether it's from you at this current moment in time, it should not cause a reaction because it's called immunoprivileged. So this is all public knowledge. This is in the literature. And it explains all of the potential risk of adverse skin reactions. And most of these companies that are creating biological products that respect and utilize scientific research and literature as they should, but have never asked the question, what would happen if I didn't put that in there anymore? Would this actually cause the patient's skin reactions? Nobody can answer that question. And most of the big companies today preserve their products in DMSO. And it's still the same story of the adverse skin reactions. That shouldn't happen. So it was interesting because a lot of the providers I was doing business with or starting to do business with at the time, they were intrigued by the question. And a lot of them ended up asking me all these questions, and I would go out and I would use the literature and provide them all the papers and support it and be like, well, this could be it, but ultimately it's up to you as a physician to make the best decision for your patients.
Of course, yeah.
Because we can't, as a company, from an education standpoint, but also if you're in the business of distributing biologics, you can't really tell a physician what to do, but you can educate them in a way utilizing the literature for them to come up with their own decisions. And most companies at the time were like, well, that doesn't matter. That does matter, because if your heart and integrity is in the provider and the best patient outcome, if they choose to utilize that for their patients, then you should care about those things.
Absolutely.
If you're not in the business to make a bunch of money and not tell the truth. So supporting the science in this case from a research standpoint, it would make sense.